In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Outlook with ClickUp. By the end, you'll have your email and task management working together so you can turn messages into action without juggling tabs. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're signed into the correct workspace where you want the integration available. If you manage multiple workspaces, glance at the workspace name to confirm you're in the right place before you continue. Next, look for the More option in your ClickUp navigation. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a three-dot menu or a More label in the sidebar or top toolbar. Click it to reveal additional tools and settings that aren't shown by default. From that menu, choose Apps. This opens ClickUp's App Center, where you can connect external tools and services. It might take a second to load the full catalog, so hang tight if you see a brief spinner. Inside the App Center, use the search bar and type Outlook. You should see the Microsoft Outlook integration listed. Open it to review a short summary of what it does. This integration typically lets you save emails as tasks, attach conversations to existing tasks, and keep important context at your fingertips. If your organization has specific security requirements, you can also skim the permissions overview here to understand exactly what access will be requested. When you're ready, click Connect. A new browser window will open from Microsoft. If you don't see it, your pop-up blocker may be stopping it. Allow the pop-up and try again. In the Microsoft window, enter the email address associated with your Outlook or Microsoft 365 account. If your company uses single sign-on, you may be redirected to your organization's sign-in page. Complete the sign-in as you normally would, then review and accept the permissions so ClickUp can link to your mailbox. Granting these permissions enables features like creating ClickUp tasks directly from emails and attaching message threads to keep context centralized. If you're unsure about permissions, check with your admin before approving. After you approve, the window will close and ClickUp should show that Outlook is connected. If it doesn't update right away, refresh the page to confirm the connection status. From here, you're set to start using the integration. As a quick tip, if something doesn't work on the first try, verify you're in the intended workspace, confirm you use the correct Microsoft account, and try a refresh or a different browser. That's it. Your Outlook and ClickUp are now integrated, helping you move from inbox to done more efficiently.